Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Eid al-Fitr Ramadan outfit on Dress to Impress. So I'm just gonna start off with this. I'm not going to use this, but this is just like the base to be covered, I guess. I am Muslim before y'all start talking in the comments, but I'm just going to add this hijab on. And let me just take this off because that won't be necessary. We're just going to use this. Do we need VIP for this? I don't remember. Okay, no, we don't. We are going to still use this like fit here. So just put that on. And then I'm just going to remove everything now because that won't be necessary. Also, you can color it to any color that you would like to. I'm just going to also add this on. And then I'm going to add these skirts. Add this on. And I'm just going to color all black. Again, you can use any color that you want. And I'm going to get the Elsa set. And I am going to use this, as well as the dress here. But just like the skirt. Just like to add more volume and whatnot. For the accessories, I am going to be using this headpiece, and I'm going to color the first one black and the rest gold. Oops. Also, again, use any color of hijab and stuff like that that you would like to. I'm also going to add this on to the piece as well. Don't know if that's better or not. I'm just gonna add gold to all of it, and that is it. You can add more accessories if you would like to, but I would just stop here. You can also make like a niqab using this, and then selecting the fourth toggle, and then using that as well, and then going to select the second one for a more closed look. It is totally up to you. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Please be respectful and have fun. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!